Imagine stopping your migraine pain, nausea, sensitivity to light, and sensitivity to noise with just one pill. Let's unbox Nurtec ODT on today's episode of the Headache Channel. Welcome back to the Headache Channel. I'm Dr. Alexander Krob. I'm a full-time board-certified headache medicine doctor, and I've helped thousands of people living with headache live better. On today's episode of the Headache Channel, we'll be unboxing Nurtec ODT, a brand new medicine for acute treatment of migraine with or without aura in adults. Today's episode is one of a series of videos on Nurtec ODT. Check out my What You Need to Know video, which talks about who it's for, how to take it, and what to watch out for. I'll put a link in the description below. Take just a moment now and scroll down a little bit below this screen. If you see a button that says subscribe, please click it. You'll be joining 1,000 other people just like you who have subscribed to the Headache Channel and shown YouTube and the rest of the world that headache and people living with headache matter. One last thing, remember that the Headache Channel is for entertainment and information only. It's not medical advice. If you need medical advice, please see your doctor. So this is Nurtec ODT, or rimegepant, and if you're someone with migraine with or without aura, Nurtec is really exciting because it is the second example of a brand new class of migraine treatments called the Gepants. For decades, people with migraine have had the same three basic acute migraine treatments: ergots, dihydroergotamine, and triptans. And for a lot of people, those medications don't work, they produce really nasty side effects, or people have pre-existing conditions that put those medications off limits. So the Gepants, like Ubrelvy and Nurtec ODT, are a new opportunity for people with migraine with or without aura to get rid of their migraine and symptoms like nausea, sensitivity to light, and sensitivity to noise, and get back to doing what they need to be doing. By the way, if you've tried Nurtec, please let us know your experience by leaving a comment in the comment section below. So let's open this up. This is a starter kit like you might pick up from your doctor's office. It contains 2 pills of Nurtec, enough to treat 2 migraines. As you can see, it's about 6 inches square and it's about 1 inch thick. The cover slides off and you open up the package just like this. On this side you have a sample pack containing 2 pills of Nurtec ODT, enough to treat 2 migraines. And on this side you have important information about how to use Nurtec, safety information, and how to save money. This booklet contains almost everything you would need to know about Nurtec ODT. Key points about Nurtec are that it is an orally disintegrating tablet that you don't need water to swallow. It works really quickly, and it can last for up to 48 hours. 86% of people who took 1 pill of Nurtec to treat a migraine did not need any form of rescue treatment for the next 24 hours. The Nurtec booklet also contains the prescribing information, which unfolds like a roadmap, because it is a roadmap for almost all the questions people have about Nurtec ODT. This card summarizes important safety information about Nurtec ODT, and it's worth a read. If you have commercial insurance, that is, any insurance that is not paid for by the federal government, you can get Nurtec for free using the information in this booklet. This booklet contains an activated Nurtec savings card. If you don't have access to this booklet or to a savings card, you can get a digital version by texting the word NSAVE to 26789. In either case, you have to call or visit your pharmacy with the information on these cards in order to activate your savings. Now let's take a look at the sample pack. This is the Nurtec sample pack. It contains 2 pills of Nurtec, enough to treat 2 migraines. It opens like this. In the lid is another copy of the prescribing information, which again answers just about any question most people have about Nurtec. To get to the medicine, you need to press and hold here and pull out on this tab. The Nurtec is located in blister packs right here. So this is Nurtec in the blister pack. You should store Nurtec at room temperature in the unopened blister pack away from children. When you fill your Nurtec, you'll get 8 pills. That means that you can have a Nurtec wherever you might get a migraine. You can put a couple in your desk at work, you can put a couple at your friend's house, you can keep a couple in your purse, and you can have a couple at home. To take Nurtec, first make sure your hands are completely dry. Peel the foil off the plastic of the packet. Don't try to push the Nurtec through the foil. Immediately place it on or under your tongue where it will dissolve without liquid. Remember that the dose of Nurtec ODT is just one pill to treat a migraine plus associated symptoms like nausea, sensitivity to light, and sensitivity to noise. 86% of people who used Nurtec to treat their migraine did not need any form of rescue treatment in the next 24 hours. So that brings us to the end of today's episode of the Headache Channel, where we unboxed Nurtec ODT rimegepant, a brand new acute treatment for migraine with or without aura in adults that can stop a migraine with just one pill. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the Headache Channel because we publish new scheduled episodes the first and third Mondays of every month and special edition episodes whenever it matters most. Thanks for watching the Headache Channel. I'm Dr. Alexander Krob. Until next time, stay well.